In this video, I'll show you how you can sell on Binance. Now there are a few different methods that you can use, so let me just quickly show you. First, head over to Binance.com, head over to Trade and go to Spot. Once you're in here, you will be able to sell by clicking on the sell button in here, market sell, and you'll have some options down here. So right now I'm on the Bitcoin one, so I can either buy or I can sell Bitcoin. So you want to type in the price, the amount, and all that stuff, and then you can be able to sell it right here on the chart. Now, if you want to sell P2P, so you want to sell to people, what you can do is head over to Trade and select P2P. And then what you want to do is you just want to click on sell, and you can sell from in here. So that is basically how that works, guys. It's super simple and super easy. So I really hope you enjoyed this video.